हाय गाइस, इट्स शालिनी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। करंटली मैं मुंबई में हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे यूट्यूब के एक इवेंट के लिए आई थी। दे फ्लू मी ओवर फ्रॉम भोपाल टू मुंबई टू अटेंड दिस इवेंट। देयर वर सो मेनी क्रिएटर्स ऑल अक्रॉस द इंडिया। आई वाज सो ओवरवेल्म्ड। थैंक यू सो मच यूट्यूब फॉर गिविंग मी दिस चांस। यू नो आई ऑलवेज क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट मेरे घर पे, बट आई हैव नेवर डन कॉन्टेंट किसी होटल रूम पे। सो आई एम स्टेइंग एट दिस होटल। दिस इज ओयो रूम। इट्स इन अंधेरी वेस्ट। इट्स अ प्रीटी गुड डिसेंट होटल। एक रात के लिए या 2 रात के लिए तो ठीक ही है। आई वॉज लाइक विंडो कहाँ है, बट देवर लाइक मैम विंडो नहीं है इस रूम में। मैंने कहा ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं। सो आई डिसाइडेड टू डू अ नाइट रूटीन फॉर यू ऑल इन अ होटल रूम इन मुंबई। सो आई रियली होप दैट यू विल एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस। So this is my room. Basically, I have a bed. All my stuffs are here and there. Okay, that's my one day luggage. I also have a TV, and this is washroom. Basic washroom. So here I'm showing you what I actually wore for the event and for the entire day. I've been wearing this outfit for more than 12 hours now, and I badly need to change it. So I changed into satin fabric night suit that I was carrying with me, and I quickly washed my legs and hands using some body wash. And let's just move on to skincare now. First up, I need to remove this makeup from my face. I've been wearing this makeup for more than 12 hours. Look at my face. It looks so dull, tired, exhausted and oily. So I used Garnier micellar water in a cotton pad and applied this on my eyes first. Kept it for 10 seconds so that it can melt on all the makeup, and then removed all the makeup away from my face. After that, I washed my face using some face wash. So after washing my face, I'm going to use my own face towel जो मैं घर से लेके आई थी. मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ तो अपना face towel छोटा सा लेके ही चलती हूँ. And I'm going to pat dry my skin. My face already looks very cleansed and refreshed. Now I'm going to use acne pimple patch on my brand new zit pimple that I got on that day itself. Thank you Mumbai for this. And this is going to help in soaking up excess oil around that zit and also kill the bacteria. Next up, I'm going to use Clear's vitamin C drop. I'm on week 3 or 4 of using this product. I'll be doing full on review for this product soon on my channel. This is for brightening the skin and also taking care of acne causing bacteria and acne marks. मैंने कुछ 3 ड्रॉप लिए होंगे इस प्रोडक्ट के. I applied that all over my face in a patting motion. I like to carry this travel size डब्बा जिसमें आप अपने मॉइस्चराइजर और सनस्क्रीन रख सकते हो अगर आप 2 या 3 दिन के लिए ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो. So here I'm applying my night moisturizer. This is by the brand Face Shop. This is their chia seed moisturizer with vitamin B12. It's a lightweight moisturizer. It's very nourishing and hydrating on the skin. That's why I like to use this in the night time. You can click the I button if you want to know more about this product. Second last product I'm using is Laneige lip sleeping mask to hydrate my lips and get rid of chapped lips. This was in my top 10 product for winter video. I forgot to carry my under eye cream with me, so here I'm using my moisturizer again as an under eye cream. It's very lightweight, so use कर सकते हैं under eye cream जैसे. And I also used Mama Earth's Cocoa Body Butter with coffee and cocoa for deeply nourishing and moisturizing my entire body. You have to warm it up between your palm because this is a thick body butter, and then apply it on your hands, on your legs. This is also a paraben-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free and dermatologically tested product made up of all natural and organic ingredient. And I really like Mama Earth as a brand because now they are a PETA certified brand. They make cruelty-free products. I also have a coupon code for you guys, that is Shalini20. You can use this coupon code on mamaearth.in website and you will get 20% off. It is great for people who have extremely dry skin. This can lock up the moisture on your body and keep the moisture locked for up to 8 to 10 hours, and depending upon the activities that you're doing. So this is the only body butter that I'm using currently, keeping in mind the desert, dry and cold weather. This product was in my top 10 product for winters. If you want to check that video, click the I button right here. Let's just order something. I'm very hungry. They have a menu here. You cannot order food outside. अच्छा, जब तक खाना आता है, let me show you what's inside this goodie bag right here from YouTube. Watercolors. These are crayons. This is the gratitude diary. Wow, I never had a gratitude diary. Thank you so much YouTube. Next up is this candle. It smells good. It's so beautiful, and I can reuse this dabba once this candle will be over. And the last thing is this adult coloring book. So thoughtful. So it's a coloring book. Oh, it's so beautiful. Embark on the journey of love. It takes you from yourself to yourself. Last thing they gave us all is a yoga mat. I already have a yoga mat मेरे घर पे, so this is for my sister now. Basically they also had one session for us for Zumba, but मैंने attend नहीं किया because मेरी तबीयत खराब थी. Well, the food is on its way. I'm gonna work on some stuff. So I was doing some last minute work for the video that I wanted to post that night. You guys loved that video. Thank you so much for it. And after that, I had my dinner. I ordered one omelette, one chapati, some vegetable raita, and some salad. And I enjoyed my dinner. It was very delicious. I was very hungry, and that was my night routine basically. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you want to see more of such relatable content on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share this video with your friends and family, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.